Hi everyone, welcome back to Sync. Today I'll be quickly reviewing DeepSeek AI model and I'll be integrating it with the n8n workflow automation platform. Let me quickly show you how I have started it. Here is Ollama website. You can host it on Linux server also, Windows machine also. So I'll be using for this particular tutorial Windows. First of all, you need to download Ollama. The moment you click on download, you will get Ollama setup. So the moment you run Ollama setup, installation wizard will run. Once Ollama is installed, of course, you will need to download the AI model. And if you click on models, you will see here in Ollama website, in models, DeepSeek is in just 8 days, it has 4.2 million pulls. This is in fact great. If you see Llama 3.3, which was updated 7 weeks ago, you can see only 972,000 pulls are there. As compared to this, you will see here DeepSeek is extremely popular and it has various options available from 1.5 billion parameters to 671 billion parameters. Of course, it is a big jump in fact as compared to Llama 3.3 with 70 billion parameters. It is 10 times more than that. So 10 times more than the Llama 3.3. It is extremely amazing here. So I will be clicking on 8 billion parameters and here you will be simply copying this command here. So I will be going to PowerShell now. Once I open PowerShell, in PowerShell, simply I will paste this. And if it is not locally installed, of course, it will start downloading. And once it is downloaded, you will see here the chat message will come here. You can, of course, start chatting with it. I will press Ctrl D to go back and I'll show you Ollama list. Right now, one model is available here, which is DeepSeek R1 8 billion parameters. Here I can say, tell me a joke. I got the response. Now, in order to access this locally, of course, in web browser, if I open Ollama with localhost 11434 port, it works. And then if I want to access it using my workflow automation platform, I need to make sure that in environment variable from other systems, how I can access, I have added the environment variable here, which is Llama host. Of course, I'm only accessing the system whenever I will be logging in, then only this environment variable will work. Otherwise, you can also create the system environment variables. Also, you can define it here. Ollama underscore host. The variable should be 0.0.0.0, which means it can be accessed from anywhere with the port 11434. So I'm now able to access it. Here you can see 10.11.12.12, 11434. This is my static IP for the laptop or locally being used. I will be now going here to workflow automation platform, which is n8n. And if you want to know how you can get started with n8n, I have provided the link in the description. Otherwise, you can directly open n8n.syncbricks.com. So you will be landing to n8n platform. So I will be clicking on the workflow, and in workflow, I will create the workflow here. So we want to, of course, integrate it with various workflows. So in order to do that, we will be coming to workflow automation platform. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using the trigger as a chat. Of course, limitless possibilities are there. You can use for anything. I will be going with the chat trigger here. Chat trigger will be connected to the AI agent. So I will be adding AI agent now by clicking plus, and here I will be using AI agent. And with this AI agent now, I will be adding the Ollama as a chat model. So Ollama will be used as a chat platform. And which model will be used here? You can see here, I have already connected it with my local laptop. And if I click edit, you will see here my IP address for the laptop was this, and it is connected successfully. Here you don't need to provide any credentials. You can directly connect. And in the list of models, you will see only one model will be available, which is DeepSeek R1 8 billion. Great here. Now I'm connected with the chat model and I can simply do the same thing that I have done before. I will see, tell me a joke. And AI model, which is DeepSeek, will give the response. You can see here, it is generating the response. And here you can see the response has come back here. You can see here, detailed response is there, why it has chosen, how it has chosen, and then the subject line. And then here you can see how nicely it has created. So let me ask to write a blog post on workflow automation platform and its integration with AI models for the business efficiency. So let's see how fast it is giving the response. Wow, again, extremely fast. Here you can see the response. A detailed blog post is provided. I will just copy it and I will use it for my blog post. The same blog, you can see how nicely it has provided me the blog details in just a few clicks. Locally hosted, DeepSeek connected it with the workflow automation platform, n8n, and here you can see the response is given using the Ollama chat model, which is connected to DeepSeek R1. So I can now start integrating it with various workflows that I have created. So this was a quick video about DeepSeek and its integration with locally hosted n8n, locally hosted Ollama, and locally hosted DeepSeek, which is one of the best, most popular AI model available today. With 4.7 million pulls in just 7 days, is really a game changer. I will be adding more tutorials related to AI automation, workflow automation platform using AI models, especially now the DeepSeek is available. In next videos, we will also look at how we can use the APIs directly from DeepSeek and some of the workflow automation projects that I have done. But with DeepSeek, I'm excited that I will be amending those. Instead of using OpenAI and Gemini, I will be now using DeepSeek with them and we'll see what best it can do. So let's continue and see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.